Love him.
Rachel, let's be clear on this, okay? I do not love Hugsy. I like him a normal amount.
All right. Well, Emma loves him.
Yeah, well, why wouldn't she? He's a wonderful person.
Chandler said that you were having so much fun here, and apparently no amount of drums or tarantulas is going to change that.
Phoebe, did you get all this stuff for Joey to try and drive me out of the apartment?
Drunk enough that I know I want to do this. Not so drunk that you should feel guilty about taking advantage.
That's a perfect amount.
You know what's weird?
What?
This stuff.
We were drunk. I would have married Joey with that amount of alcohol.
Hey, you could do a lot worse than Joey Tribbiani.
I'm sorry, but you guys are wrong.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word amount. It means the sum total of two or more quantities or sums, aggregate. Also means the sum of the principal and interest of a loan. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce amount, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to mount. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how amount is used in real life.
I mean, the amount you have is exactly the budget of my dream wedding.
We were drunk. I would have married Joey with that amount of alcohol.
Hey!
I'll give you store credit in the amount of $4.
And apparently no amount of drums or tarantulas is going to change that.
What is an appropriate amount of time to wait before you make a move?
We love kids the appropriate amount.
So you can dump a certain amount on them.
That's perfect.
A certain amount of time ago, okay, I was here, you were here, we had...
That's a perfect amount.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.